My name is Steve Hinton, and I'm here at Aurora Airport near Portland, Oregon, and we're standing in front of the Lockheed Constellation C-121A. I'm from Planes of Fame Air Museum Fighter Rebuilders in Chino, California, and we restored the airplane for the Legends Foundation. This Constellation was built as a C-121A and participated in the Berlin airlift originally, and then it was one of 6 C-121As that were converted to a VC-121, which was a VIP airplane, and this particular one was assigned to General MacArthur. After a short time with MacArthur, then it became part of a pool of airplanes that were used for presidential or diplomatic purposes, and it was one of the very first Western culture airplanes to actually, fly out of that part of the world, and it was pretty significant. You can kind of imagine what kind of deals might have been made in the back of this. I think it went to Davis-Monthan for a short period of time in storage, and then NASA got a hold of this airplane. It's one of 13 they used as communication airplanes for whenever they had a mission, an outer space mission. There were no satellites for communication, so they always had 13 Connies airborne whenever to relay whatever information and that needed to be done. In '92, the Fort Rucker, it was surplus to their needs, and Planes of Fame acquired it, and we got it flying and flew it for about a year. Lockheed had helped us restore it back to the configuration it was when MacArthur had it, but we really couldn't afford to fly it, so we took it out to our museum in Arizona. And then the Legends Foundation had a desire to pick up the Connie, and we knew they were capable of operating and maintaining it correctly, so we made a deal with them, and after 8 years of restoration, we got it flying. Well, everything went good. Like anything though, first flights are always, we're learning a lot about the airplane, but we had really no big issues. I think we've got about 14 flights on it now. Of course, when you fly with real aviators like Stu Dawson and a lot of other people I know, Stu did the initial flying, and we share the flying with it, but I mean, we've got a lot of experience between us, and Jeff Weitzel is a very experienced pilot, and especially in these kind of airplanes, and our crew, we're pretty versatile. We feel it's a really good airplane, and we're really anxious to get it out there and let everybody take a look at it. So many people worked on it. Their main guy on the project the whole way through was a guy named Pete Blood. He did a great job. Unfortunately, he wasn't around when we first started flying it, but we probably had 18, 19 different people working on it. We had a core 7 or 8 worked on it every day. Vintage V-12s overhauled the engines, the propellers by historic propellers. Chino Airport, allowed us to work in a certain area for years. We thank them for that. And of course, like I say, the foundation, Rod Lewis, and they get all the credit though. I mean, Rod's foundation, they're the ones that gave us the mission. They're the ones that supported us, and we supplied the labor, and we're real happy with what we got. And I think everybody will get will be impressed with it when they see it.